Hey vlog, what's up? So, me and my puppies are heading to the Humane Society and my mom, because we're gonna go look at all the cats. I already looked at them and there's some really nice ones and I love them all, but I cannot take them all home. And so now we have to go introduce our dogs to them. Hopefully they like our dogs, so wish us luck. I can't record in there, I already saw a sign, so I guess we'll just have to see what kitten I get. Well guys, we are back without a cat because of Trixie. Oh my gosh, there was this cat, his name was Batman, and it was really nice and really soft, and it really liked Lucy, and Lucy really liked Batman. And then Trixie just barked at it, and so now the lady there thinks that Trixie would kill it. But I'm gonna keep it in my room anyway, but just don't want Trixie to kill my cat. So now we're gonna think about it. I hope you guys can see him, but this is my cat. His name is Batman, and he currently likes to hang out under my bed. He's so cute. I love him. I'll give you guys a better look when he gets out, but we got him, guys. So our plan is just to hide him from Trixie as long as possible. So hopefully it goes well. I love him. Hey vlog, guess where we're going? To your house. Oh god, wait. Okay, these are my friends who are going with me. Hold on. This is Ella. Sophie, this is Sophie. We're 25 minutes away, right, Ella? Yeah. Ready to have a blast and a half. We're 17 minutes away from the haunted house that we're not giving you the information to. Edit that out. Okay.
Bleep her mouth.
It's fine.
It's in beep. It's in beep.
We're super excited. Ella's super excited. She's gonna be in the front. Sophie's gonna be in the middle. I'm gonna be in the back. The sacrifice. If I don't come back, it's because Sophie wanted to be in the middle. Mom, do you want to be my vlog?
You want to be in it?
Yeah.
Sure.
What do you want to say? If Ellen is out there. What?
What do you want to say?
What to say?
Nothing.
ASMR! Oh my god.
Welcome to my ASMR.
No. Why did you just, why? Stop throwing food at me. What are you doing?
Here, let's all take turns staring in there.
You just like to look at yourself.
I wasn't looking at myself. You can do some ASMR.
It's ASMR. You want to try something? You just whisper.
ASMR.
Yeah. R. ASMR. Do you want to try?
What do you whisper?
You just whisper whatever you want. We turn off the radio.
On today's Pulse, I'm Karen.
Okay, ready?
Sure.
Okay. Okay, that was a little creepy, but that was really good ASMR. So yeah, we're 17 minutes away to our death.
Fun.
Go. Hey vlog.
Hi.
We're not doing great at all.
I'm having a lot of fun.
No, the preview was scary and that was like 30 seconds long.
Here's our ticket.
So now we have to wait in line and then we get to go in and I'm really terrified, so that's great.
You're like, not my phone.
Make a left there.
Take me back. Okay.
You can't see. Oh my god. Bye! Okay, we just got back from the haunted house. How are we feeling, everybody?
I'm feeling great.
Feeling great? 10 out of 10?
Yeah, 10 out of 10.
Sophie, what would you rate it?
10 out of 10.
Really, actually?
I thought it was fun.
I don't know. I guess it was fun. I just didn't like when they screamed. That really scared me. That was the only thing that scared
It
me.
was good. I enjoyed it.
The only thing that sucked was the waiting.
Yeah, but it was actually like once you just start going and like you really have to just kind of like talk to them, so it's like not as scary.
And then they said my name. Oh, oopsies. And that they showed my name or said my name. That was scary. That scared me. Cause Mom told them. They said my full name.
You know, do you guys want to come to a haunted house in 2 weeks?
No.
Never.
Not the shock house one.
Unless it's a hayride.
Yeah, I'll go to a hayride.
Never again.
Tony, you want to vlog for me?
No.
Oh.
Yeah, give me it.
Okay.
Follow
On
me on
Sunday.
follow me on Snapchat at TonyMan66, and it's Sunday, and I don't want to go to school tomorrow, and we're going to something. Add me on PlayStation at CamelMan2702. I'll carry you to Dubs. Subscribe to me on YouTube at TonyMan, and yeah. So.
Hey vlog, what up? We're going to a family reunion.
Well, this is where it was last time, right, Dad?
And right now, we're turning around because we got lost. I survived the haunted house, guys. Ow! A guy with a chainsaw literally chased us. That was that clip you guys saw of like the guy at our window, and you can literally still see the exo that he wrote. It's kind of scary.
I can't see it.
If you go on the outside, you can.
Yeah, no.
Funny.
Portugal. Portugal was close. Yeah. Colorado.